This is how to make Windows 11 look like Windows 10. You need to search for ExplorerPatcher and download it from GitHub. Then run the installer. You'll get a security warning about an unknown publisher, but just click Run anyway to continue. Your screen will go black or white for a moment while it applies the tweaks. Then you'll see a notification that it's downloading symbols for your OS build. This takes several minutes, so just wait for it to complete. You'll get a second notification when it's successfully downloaded. It asks you to restart File Explorer to restore functionality. Once that's done, open ExplorerPatcher. It should show up in recently added apps, or just search for it if it doesn't. Click it to open the configuration window. The properties window shows all your customization options. You'll see the taskbar is already set to Windows 10 style. Now, if you see a warning that says Windows 10 taskbar is not available in this version of Windows, just set the taskbar style to Windows 10 ExplorerPatcher instead. Click the Restart File Explorer button at the bottom to apply it. Your taskbar instantly transforms to the Windows 10 version. For the old context menus, go to the File Explorer section. Check the box to disable Windows 11 context menu if it's not already disabled. Apply the changes if it wasn't already enabled. Right-clicking now shows all options immediately without that extra click. Click on Start Menu in the left sidebar. Click the drop-down next to Start Menu Style and select Windows 10 from the options. You can also change the position on screen to at screen edge if you prefer the classic Windows 10 start menu position. Click Restart File Explorer to apply these changes. Go to the Settings and Uninstall section on the left. Here you can see options to import, export, or restore settings. There's also an Uninstall ExplorerPatcher option if you ever want to go back. Your Windows 11 now looks and works exactly like Windows 10. Feel free to explore and customize the rest for your own liking.